So we're driving through here. This is the way to the Cordova terminal going to the Bohol area in Tubigon or Talibon, you know. So look how they have improved the place since the last time I was here. And you can see the sea up ahead. This is a favorite sightseeing place if you want to have a break from the city as well. Most locals come here before, I could remember. Look, they got loads of stalls there now because it's like your little Cebu Mercado, but they are just the native little restaurants. And this is what I mean. It's like, why do you have lantao when you can go on these places like this and even taste the real thing? I didn't realize that they got so many in here now. Let's just look for a parking space. In here, I think we can park inside here. Wow, it's a big drop. Wow. You just have to find a parking space. I was shocked. There's a lot of vendors here now. It used to be on the side where the road was being made. Now they have transferred here, and you can see there's a lot of little kiosks all over. So we are looking for a place that we can eat. So here I've seen some diners there, so I think we can actually eat here. Then you can imagine it at night. It's full of diners overlooking the sea. Dari dong. Ari takaon dong. Dinapot dong. So they got the pongko style here. Kaon miga. Dari dong. Pila lumpia ni mo gang? So this lumpia is 5 for 20 pesos. Bigay mo kaon tabi. So after you choose, you sit down. Taraga. So this is our lunch. You got the ginabot, which is the floury thing of the pork, and then we have the rice here. The hanging rice is 5 pesos each, and we have the lumpia, the spring rolls, 5 for 20, and then that's the crab meat, and the crab is 30 pesos per crab. This is the amazing thing here that's happening in Centennial Road, because you got all these little kiosks where people selling different kind of food, from tuslubua to this pongko. They start operating here about 11 a.m. until 10 o'clock in the evening. So you can see not everything is open yet. It's only a few here, only the pongko people. Like this woman here that we just ate our lunch from. This is all the different stuff that she's selling. This hanging rice is 5 pesos each. And of course, as you can see, that we have a bale of the lumpia, which is 5 pesos for 20 And that's 25 each for that pork. Internal things. And you got the tongue. Pila inyong abang diri ga? 50 every day. So there, every stall is 50 pesos to na gobyerno.
Depende sa kadako.
Ah,
Kanay
50 pesos for her, but if you got a bigger one, of course it's more expensive. Kani mo 50 rani kani ko to bra diha. So it's 50 pesos for her space there. You can see she just got this front. And that one. Mabawi ra ga no? Mabawi ra. So dakudagan sa jud mo kinlin ani, so they can just easily get the rent out of the sales. Ginansya ninyo mga pilang adlaw.
para tindira lang nila.
Oh. So she's just selling here, but she knows that they're gonna have to pay 50 to the collector. And they have another one, competition, different competition, and they're still cooking on site.
Grabe posting semua mo.
Pananawa ko sa yung giluto ga. Tina. Muna lang, pork chop na yung giluto dong. So they're cooking on site. Pork chop. Kani sir, manok. So this is like one of the favorites of Cebuanos. Is this what we call pungko-pungko food? Diyan maklarog. Gatubang di ko sa adlaw eh.
Ginamot sir.
In our language, it's called ginabot. So you can see the name of her shop there is Punko Punko sa Centennial Road, because this is the Centennial Road here in Cordova. I was surprised because it's not used to be like this the last time I was here. The eateries is just on one corner there, but now it's just so many of them around here. Salamat ga. Thank you. So look at all those little shanties of stools that you can see around here. Some are closed. I don't think most of them are operating. But look at the view that they will be looking at if you're dining here. You're like beside the seaside. With all the boats. There on the shores of Cordova.